Hello everyone. Today was pretty much a boring day because it snowed all day, so I couldn't really go anywhere. So somebody asked me to do, I guess, a challenge of burping without Pepsi. I kind of suck at it without Pepsi, to be honest, but since it was reasonable, I will do that. You know, there's some requests I won't do, like eating Tide Pods. I'm sorry, but who comes up with these challenges nowadays? I mean, I remember back when they had the challenges setting your friends on fire. I'm thinking, if your friends think it's a good idea to film and set you on fire, you need new friends. And also, as for the Tide Pod challenge, I really don't get it. I mean, there are times I won't even eat my own cooking because it's disgusting. So I can't even imagine eating a Tide Pod, because that's poisonous. Do you mind?
What?
I'm on video. Alright, so I'm going to do my burping video now. She ruined it. Okay. Ugh. Okay, I suck. That's about as good as it gets without Pepsi. Oh wow. Like my hair. Okay, I hope everyone has a good day and don't eat Tide Pods.